Hello my friends, my name is Oliver. I'm a German living in Switzerland and Zurich, and this is the latest change to my desktop setup. Since the last table was a little small but nice looking, we extended now to having a little bigger one, and you also see that the cable management is not done yet, and we just got two of those tables. We got them for free. That was nice. There was a travel agency getting rid of some of their equipment, and some of you may recognize it already. There's a new MacBook on the table. That's the new MacBook Air, and this is the reason why my Mac Mini has to go back home to Apple, because honestly, for my use here, I really don't need it. The only difference between the MacBook Air and the Mac Mini right now is I cannot play StarCraft 2 on the MacBook Air. Such a pity. On the other hand, since I bought the Mac Mini from Apple, it's pretty easy. You take it, you put it back in the box, and you can send it back to them. They have an offer right now. You can try your devices from the date of buying it till, I think it's the 8th of January next year. And yeah, that's pretty neat. That's why we did it that way. And yeah, that's an easy one. That's a short one this time. This is my new setup. This is all what we got now to work a little more easily with a little more space for some paperworks. I hope you liked it. Then please leave a thumbs up. And if you loved it, please subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have more infos also on the MacBook Air, some experiences here, and see you next time.